channel. Thulisile Kolweni. If you are new here, welcome, and welcome. Please do not leave without subscribing, commenting and liking this video. I would really appreciate that a lot. And if you're my day one, welcome back, my loves. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate all the love and the support that you guys have been showing me. Also share this video and like and comment down below. Also don't forget to look at the description box. There will be videos that I will link them there, and then you can just have a look, have fun, watch, and just catch up if there are videos that you have not watched. I would really appreciate that a lot. Okay, so in today's video we're gonna do a sit down. I haven't done a sit down video in a while. It's not gonna be like a whole sit down video, but I'm gonna show you guys how I take off my braids. I'm gonna take off my braids. It's time. I've had these braids for like almost 2 months now, and yeah, let's do that. And yeah, and if you are new here, welcome. Please do not leave without subscribing. I would appreciate that. I see that a lot of you do come and watch and they come back again, but they're not subscribed. So just in case you are not sure if you are subscribed or not, please check if you are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, the button that says subscribe will be red, and then if you are subscribed, it will not be red, or it will not appear at all. And yeah, so let's do this video. It's itchy, child. You have this is just plain water that I've put in this bottle, only because it actually works better. Then I have a scissor to cut it. Then I have this, which is broken, do not see. And then I have this just to make sure that to help me untie my braids. So first I'm gonna cut these things, you know. No, I don't have the longer. You can put on that. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys hair content. I haven't done that in a very long time. So in today's video, we're gonna achieve this. So as you can see in the previous clip, I had braids on, and then I took them off, and I showed you how easy it is to take your braids off without actually breaking your hair and damaging your hair in the process. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this. Give it a huge thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below if you find this method that I used easy, and what other methods do you use to undo your braids. I went ahead and cut my hair a little bit more, as you can see. Got locks on. It's itchy because it's dirty.
What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Ninzi. And done undoing my braids, my knotless braids. I am gonna go ahead and do a twist to my hair. This is to help me when I wash my hair. So I'm gonna use my hands just to part or section my hair. I'm just gonna do like not a lot, just this is gonna help me with when I'm washing my hair so that it doesn't tangle much, because you saw that while I was undoing my braids I was actually also just going ahead and untangling my hair. So this is the stage. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the shower after this, and I am gonna wash my hair, put a after washing my hair I am going to put a conditioner on my hair. Once I'm done I'm gonna put a deep moisture conditioner, because remember it's winter and I've had my hair in a protective hairstyle for like almost a month. So I'm doing that because I don't want to break my hair. This part and that part were not so dry, so this part is drier. This is just to protect my hair so that it does not tangle too much while I am washing my hair in the shower. Remember that water is your best friend. It hydrates your hair very nicely, and on top of that, if you want to manipulate your hair like I am doing now, you don't want to do that. Is nweleni that are dry, so hence I'm putting that now. The way I was doing my hair, like undoing my hair, really also helps, because when you do it like that, your hair, or rather your scalp, is not hold too much, because your hair is now damp. So when your hair is damp, you don't pull your scalp too much, like if you were doing what I was doing but not putting water into your hair. That would have been, yeah, very painful for yourself and for your hair too. This is, for me, the most effective way of actually washing your hair without it tangling to each other or friction. This way you will be able to like maintain a nice length and healthy hair, because you are being gentle to your hair, you are protecting your scalp in the process too, and you're protecting your hair from breakage. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed, and if you subscribed, thank you so much. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please do double check just to see if you are still subscribed, you know, because it could be like by mistake you press a button and then you unsubscribed without knowing, and then you still think that you are subscribed. So please double check if you are still subscribed. I would appreciate that. We are so close to 1K, my loves. I cannot believe it's almost 4 years since I started YouTube, and there were times where I wasn't consistent, but you know what, we are here now, and doing the best that we can. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna step into the, well, before stepping into the shower, I'm actually hungry. It's like what's the time now? That's the time, like 2:20. So I am gonna go and get bread in the shops and come back, make something to eat, and I will then wash my hair. So this is how I'm gonna step into the shower and apply a shampoo and a conditioner, and then do a lip moisture treatment and do the LFC, and then we're gonna be done soon.
A few moments later.
I don't know if there's still anything here. I'm hoping there still is. I have this mixture, which is I'm just putting directly into my scalp. This is the AC apple cider vinegar. This is just to clarify my scalp. That's the main purpose of it. I know other people do use it as a pre-poo. This is to give my scalp that extra clean. I either choose to do it like I'm doing it, and or you can actually put it on and then let it sit for like 15 minutes under a plastic or a heat cap. I don't have a heat cap, so, and I don't feel like my hair or my scalp was that dirty because I had used the Dark and Lovely waterless cleanser a week ago. So I'm done massaging it into my scalp. What I'm gonna do now is go ahead and rinse it off. So I'm gonna do this and treat it as if I am letting it sit there for like some time, you know. I actually missed my hair so much, but I don't want to leave my hair for too long again because it's still winter. Even though this month, also today is the 1st of July, even though this is the last month of winter, I am still thinking about what protective style must I do next. But I will see. I'm gonna do something that's gonna maybe leave it for 5 weeks or so, yeah, before I take it off. But I'll probably do that next weekend because I want to leave my hair, like give my scalp a break a bit, maybe until next weekend. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead now and rinse off the apple cider vinegar out of my hair. And then put, this is what it's called, and put the treatment. And to thoroughly rinse it off, I'm gonna put my natural hair conditioner onto my hair.
Much later.
I think I am done rinsing off the leave-in conditioner. We are good at the anti-Jackie curls and coils for dry scalp. That's what we're gonna do. it says, on clean wet hair, use finger tips. Okay. Apply directly to the scalp and massage gently to the scalp. Then apply generously throughout hair, from root to tips. Allow it to sit in your hair, on your hair for 5 minutes. Then rinse it all traces of mask from scalp and hair for deeper conditioning. After applying, cover hair with a plastic cap for 10 minutes, then thoroughly rinse. So we're gonna do number 2 of this. So yeah, just do that. Let's get hair mask. Doing a deep moisture. That means I am gonna apply it and let it sit on my hair for a good 10 or 45 minutes, just to make sure that it is it's so nice and minty. It has mint in it, so it is very nice and minty. I think that's generous enough. And I'm going to apply the plastic, which I have here. showering, I am gonna moisturize my hair. Washed my hair. My hair is nice and washed. So now we're gonna do LFC. I've done LFC before, so I'm gonna just fast forward a little bit on this one because you guys have seen me done it before, right? So I'm just gonna show you what I use. I use that, this, which is a grow strong strengthening treatment, so you don't have to rinse it. I then put waves, as you can see, and then it's almost over, but I love this so much. And then I top it off with this. So let's do that.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. Keeps me high.
So I'm going to repeat the same step all over my hair and then I'll come back. Alright, my loves, we are done with doing my hair. So now the last thing that I do is take this. I showed you guys, this is the anti-Jackie essential oil. It's for hair and scalp. A helpful blend of collagen, tea tree oil and eucalyptus oil. So I just take that and then I just apply it to my scalp because this is for your scalp, literally for your scalp.
Be your star tonight. You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. No, have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now.
So you see this one leaves
the seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally.
That's literally it. There you go, my loves. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enjoy this hair content. I know I haven't done a lot of them. or I haven't done one in a very long time. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and share this video with your friends and your family, and I will see you in my next video. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter.
I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high, keeps me high.